video has been sponsored by King Maps, FiveGuard, and JustScripts. Check their website in the description.
Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a advanced pause menu script into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which you are going to install into a FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. You just to scroll down over here. Then click on this GitHub link. Then click on code and download the script. After downloading it, we just need to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder, so I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. Now rename the file and remove the main from the name. Now open the file, then go to config.lua. So this is the configuration of the script over here. As you can see, in the framework section, I'll be changing the new ESX to QBCore over here. Over here, you can provide your social media links of your pause menu. So I'll be keeping them default for now, and rest of the things you can configure from here. I'll be keeping them default for now. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now. Now to open the pause menu, we just need to press escape over here. And as you can see, this is the interface of the pause menu over here. So over here you can see my character's name and the job of my character over here. You can see there are some options over here like setting, keybind, map, and much more over here. Now let's click on the settings option. You will get the settings options over here, as you can see. And on the keybind, you will get the options for the keybinds. To open the map, we just to click over here, as you can see. And to quit the server, we have to click over here, then press exit. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.